So I just recently got a new Sony camera and I lost the lens cap within a few days. So I ordered a new one on Amazon, and it was the JJC 2-pack of the 40.5 millimeter front lens cap cover, and I'm really happy with it. So I'm just showing you here how easy it is to use. I actually like it better than the one that came with the camera because it has the little lanyard, and you have your choice of having the lanyard either connect via that little sticky tape, or you can actually remove that little sticky tape thing from it and actually feed the cord through that little hole there in the lens cover, and then you can just wrap the lanyard around your lens so you're not going to lose it again. So there's two different ways that you can actually attach it. You can attach it with that sticky or by feeding the cord through that hole. So I really like it, and I think it was a great replacement for the lens cap that came with the camera, and it actually, I think it might even be better. So it even comes with the extra set in case you for some reason lose this one. So anyway, I think that this is a great product. I think you're going to love it too.